It's difficult to find a complete house, but not anymore, because my new listing 359 Greenlees Circle in Milton gonna be hitting the market next week. Hi friends, I'm Praveen Monga, your local realtor in Milton from Home Life Miracle. I will be talking about my new listing 359 Greenlees Circle. Let's come and see all the features it have. As you are seeing, it's two-door entry, approximately 2,500 square feet of a house with double car garage, 9 feet ceiling all across the home with extra large kitchen space and an extended counter. Along with it, it has 3 separate sections plus a bonus, and 3 sections are: one is a breakfast area, other is a dining area, living room, plus the special bonus, a cozy cathedral ceiling family room, which you will love it. It doesn't look like, but yes, I am in the basement. Why? 10 feet ceiling, extra window space, an option to make 2-bedroom apartment. It already have a KitchenAid, full washroom, and a separate entrance from the garage. You can easily make this as a rental property. I am quite sure when you will come, you will love this extra option in the house.